Introduction to QA testing.
Quality assurance testing, or QA testing, is an essential part of the software development process. QA testers ensure that software products are reliable, user-friendly, and meet the requirements before they reach customers. Unlike programming roles, QA testing often welcomes those without prior coding experience, making it an attractive entry point into the tech industry.
What does a QA tester do?
UA testers review software for bugs and usability issues. Typical tasks include following test plans, running test cases, documenting problems, and communicating findings to developers. Their keen attention to detail and critical thinking help deliver higher quality products. Many QA roles involve manual testing, which focuses on using the software just like an end user.
Skills needed for QA testing.
Strong communication, curiosity, and organization are key skills for QA testers. You don't need to be a programmer to get started. Analytical thinking helps in identifying errors, while clear communication explains issues to the team. Basic computer literacy, familiarity with using different devices, and a willingness to learn are also valuable assets in this career.
How to get started, step by step.
Begin by learning the basics of software testing and familiarizing yourself with common terminology. Free resources and beginner courses are widely available. Practice by exploring open-source projects or volunteer opportunities. Build a simple portfolio by documenting your testing process and findings. As you gain experience, consider certifications like IS2QB Foundation Level to boost your credibility.
Career paths and growth opportunities.
QA testing offers a clear career path for newcomers. Starting as a junior or manual tester, you can progress to roles such as test analyst, QA lead, or test automation specialist. With experience, opportunities expand into specialized areas like performance testing or quality management. Many QA professionals eventually branch into related fields, including product management or business analysis.
Tips for a successful transition.
Network with other professionals, seek mentorship, and stay curious. Attend local tech meetups or join online QA communities to learn from others. Regularly update your skills with new testing tools and methods. Demonstrating a proactive attitude and willingness to learn will help you stand out when applying for your first QA role.